Inside a Plant by Christina Hill. Plants need many things to stay alive. They need food, sun, air, and water. If plants have what they need, they will continue to go through a life cycle. Plenty of plants. Plants grow all around us. They come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. Crunchy carrots and leafy spinach are plants that we can eat. Big tall trees and green grass are plants too. Plants grow in lots of habitats. A cactus lives in the desert without much water. It stores water in its thick stems. This is a desert habitat. In rainy places, plants have waxy leaves. The wax protects the plants from getting too much water. There is plenty of water in a rainforest. Growing up green. A plant starts life as a seed. The seed begins to grow. If it is planted in the ground, it needs water, sunlight, air, and room to grow. Blown away. Some seeds travel by wind before they sprout. This seed has just sprouted. As you can see, the roots and the leaves and the seed where it started. The seed pushes its roots into the ground. The roots absorb water from the ground for the plant to use. The parts of the plant work together to help it live. Then a stem sprouts. The stem moves the water through the plant. Finally, the plant grows leaves and sometimes flowers. Reach for the sky. Plant leaves grow towards sunlight. The leaves soak up the sunlight to help the plant grow. Time to eat. Plants need food to survive. That is because they are alive. But have you ever seen a plant eat? Plants need sunlight and water to survive. Plants are different from other living things. They make their own food inside of themselves. It's called photosynthesis. A plant absorbs air, water, and sunlight. It turns them into sugar. The sugar becomes food for the plant. The food helps the plant grow and live, just like us. This shows what a plant needs to make its food. Sunlight, water, and the ground to hold itself up. Tiny tubes move food and water through the plant. Plant families. Once a plant is grown, it releases new seeds. These seeds can sprout and start a new life cycle. Young plants look like their parent plants. That is because they grew from the same kind of seed. A new sunflower grows from this seed. This sunflower will release new seeds. Around the world, plants have adapted to stay alive. Some plants live on cold mountains. Other plants live in dry deserts. Some plants grow in the ocean. You can find plants almost anywhere. These plants have adapted to live in the cold. Kelp is a plant that grows in the ocean. Let's do science. How does a plant get water to all of its parts? Try this and see what to get. Crayons and paper, food coloring, plastic cup filled with water, scissors, white daisies. What to do? Place 10 drops of food coloring in the cup of water. Have an adult help you cut the stems off the daisies. Place the daisies in the cup. Use crayons to draw the daisies on the paper. Draw your flowers again at the end of the day. What do you notice about the petals? Why do you think this happened? Glossary. Absorb, to take in or drink. Adapted, changed to be able to survive. Habitats, places where animals or plants grow and live. Life cycle, a series of stages that a living thing goes through as it gets older. Protects, keeps safe, sprout, to begin to grow, survive, to stay alive. Your turn. Plant habitats. Think about where you live. What is the habitat like? Is it hot or cold? Is it dry or rainy? Make a list of the plants that grow in your area. Why do you think these plants grow where you live?
And as you can see, I live in a desert.